Welcome back. Bob Burdikin here with New Wave Therapy. Now we at New Wave Therapy would like to take the time to thank our viewers who have taken their time to pass on the information which we are sharing to friends and family, as well as to continue asking the questions that are important to all of us. Not only do we thank you, but we appreciate your support. You know, we've been getting asked to expand upon what is New Wave Therapy and how does it work? Well, first let me start out by saying what New Wave Therapy does not claim to be able to diagnose, treat, cure, or even prevent any disease or condition. We leave that up to the professionals in the veterinary field. What we do is try to help horses that are under various levels of stress, and we've found that it can come from all levels of training programs, medical or surgical conditions, breeding season and programs, foaling situations, weaning sessions, and that's just to name a few. Now, New Wave Therapy is not a single protocol, program, or even a method. And when you depend on a single-based method or program, all you're using is a specific and single operational protocol to work with your horse. And it's been proven in the past that there's no one-size-fits-all type of protocol to correct all the problems that any single horse may have. That is why we at New Wave Therapy do not adhere to the single-use protocol mindset. New Wave Therapy has the same mindset that's practiced daily by the human medical community and even by your own veterinarian each and every time that you see them. Now, New Wave Therapy is an integrated combination of protocols that complement each other and at the same time enhance each other. And every one of these protocols can stand alone and is highly effective. But when these protocols are integrated with each other or in any combination, not only do they complement each other, but they will reinforce each other to obtain stronger and much better results. Now, New Wave Therapy presently uses a total of 4 protocols, and they are Equine Essential Oil Blends Protocol, Equine Trigger Point Protocol, Equine Low-Level Light Technology, and Equine Stone Therapy. One of the most important factors of New Wave Therapy is that every protocol that we do use with horses has first been a protocol that's been extremely successful when it was used with and working with humans. None of the protocols that we use are new or even self-created. All of them are proven to work with people who have received the sessions, given their feedback, and have enjoyed receiving them from many different practitioners. All that New Wave Therapy has done is to take 4 very beneficial protocols that integrate very successfully together, that then work to give a much greater result when combined. And we applied them for use with horses. Now, the use of our own proprietary essential oil blends protocol, which we market under our own brand name of Celtic Meadow, it centers on the ability of the mind of the horse to process specific smells that trigger responses within the brain. Now, this is the identical reaction that people have when they use essential oil blends. And our second protocol that we constantly use is Equine Trigger Point Protocol. And it's a protocol that centers on finding and working with the soft tissues. It's the use of this protocol that we start to aid in the release of stress and tension that's trapped within the body of the horse. This protocol is also based in human use as trigger point therapy and is closely related to Bowen therapy. Our third widely used protocol is Equine Low-Level Light Technology, which is commonly referred to as red light therapy, which, just like the previous protocols that we're using, is human-based and has been used for over 2 decades. And even our own special forces carry low-level light technology to aid in field injuries. This protocol is also one that has had the same results and got its start in human use. This specific protocol has been used on people to aid in the management of pain, cuts, burns, abrasions, wound healing, again, just to name a few. The fourth protocol that we use is Equine Stone Protocol. This is also based in human use by massage therapists and is better known as a tool to augment the massage process. This tool claims to allow for the further movement of toxins through the body and start the process of elimination. Now, when multiple protocols are combined, the results that is received is increased 2 to 3-fold when compared to the use of any one individual protocol on its own. We have found that when we use multiple protocols at any given time, it gives us more of a choice to see what is most beneficial for your horse. And by constantly influencing change rather than forcing it, we're allowing your horse to respond to the protocol that they feel is best for them at that time. This is the horse's natural ability to self-medicate, as well as to activate their own innate ability to heal itself. We at New Wave Therapy are not healers, but we are part of a complete support team that's constantly working together for the benefit of your horse's overall health. This is how New Wave Therapy works hand in hand with any alternative or conventional method through tension and stress relief, contributing to the maximum results, be they physical or emotional. I do hope that you can understand that New Wave Therapy is not like many programs or methods that either surface or keep coming back year after year. It's totally centered on the well-being of your horse and the ability to give you greater peace of mind. And I do hope that I've shown you what New Wave Therapy is not and how it can be beneficial to your horse, be they a member of the family or even the national competitor, and in many cases both. And for those not already doing so, you can stay on top of all that we're doing by subscribing to our YouTube channel, which by the way is free. And liking our Facebook page would be a good idea as well. So until next time, this is Bob Burdigan with New Wave Therapy saying thanks for coming by.